the other thing that's very beautiful and unique about this surah is one about which the Prophet ﷺ commented multiple times. It seems as though the Prophet ﷺ had a peculiar interest in making sure Muslims remain connected with this surah. So I will go through some of these narrations to introduce ourselves. إن سورة من كتاب الله ما هي إلا 30 آية شفعت لرجل فأخرجته من النار وأدخلته الجنة. So it's a surah that from the book of Allah, it is nothing but 30 ayat, and it makes a case on behalf of a person. Shafa'at li rajul, it intercedes, meaning it makes a case for a person and gets him out of the fire and enters him into Jannah. Subhanallah. Inna surata min al-Quran 30 ayatan shafa'at li rajulin hatta ghufira lahu. An incredible surah from the Quran made up of 30 ayahs that makes a case on behalf of a person hatta ghufira lahu, until he has been granted forgiveness. وهي سورة تبارك الذي بيده الملك. And that's the surah that begins تبارك الذي بيده الملك. This surah. This is in Tirmidhi. Surah Tabarak هي المانعة من عذاب القبر. This surah is a prevention. It prevents from punishment in the grave. If you notice, all the other narrations were helping us get out of trouble on Judgment Day, and even pulling someone out of the fire, suggesting somebody may already be in the fire and then be pulled out of it because of this surah. But here, before even Judgment Day begins, when you and I are in our graves, we are warded off from danger because of the benefits of this surah. May Allah make us all ashab of this surah.